who gave my lonely heart a thrill. Her beauty seemed just like a breath of spring. And when I looked into her eyes, I thought of blue as summer skies. And when I held her hand in mine, I heard the bluebirds sing. They sang of wondering
if he'll love her.
will she marry?
Marry if he'll ask her.
Will her heart be
true for him for
then and evermore? And when she's lonely,
is he near her?
when there's sadness,
will he cheer her?
will they
always be together
until in death we part? I courted her for months on end until she promised we would wed. We planned on being married in the spring. All through the long cold winter months it seemed that spring would never come. And every gloomy winter day I heard the bluebirds sing. They sang of waiting
for the flowers,
and of counting
every hour
till the bluebird
sings his welcome
into the world once more. And though we're waiting
for the sunshine,
we keep hating
every storm cloud
that has gathered
o'er the mountains
to keep us far apart. At last spring touched the earth, we married in the village church. Our wedding seemed just like a dream come true. So many years have come and gone, our love is still as true and strong as when I found her long ago. And still the bluebirds sing, they sing of loving
every hour,
that I'm married
to my flower.
We'll be happy
ever after,
as since the day we met. And though we're older,
love is sweeter,
we grow fonder
of each other.
We'll be sweethearts
close together
until the end of time.